Are you a busy parent or solo cleaner struggling to find time to grow your business? Imagine running a successful cleaning business even when your schedule is jam-packed. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around. Today, I will share my journey from overwhelmed mom with no free time to thriving cleaning business owner. This story might just change the way you look at your day. From overwhelmed to inspired. Hi, I'm Nita, a professional cleaner for over 15 years and a full-time mom. I know exactly how it feels to juggle client appointments, piles of laundry, and kids' homework all at once. There was a time I felt completely exhausted. I'd wake up at 5 a.m., pack lunches, drop the kids at school, then spend all day cleaning for clients, only to come home and have no energy left for my family or myself. I told myself, there's just no time to make this business bigger. But then something changed. I hit a point where I knew I couldn't keep going like this. I was tired of choosing between earning a living and being a mom. One night, after putting the kids to bed, I sat at the kitchen table, tears in my eyes, thinking of quitting. That's when it hit me. I didn't need more hours in the day. I needed a new approach. I realized that having no time was not my enemy. It was an obstacle I could overcome with the right strategies. From that day on, I committed to work smarter, not harder, and everything began to change. Step 1. Mindset shift. Decide and commit. The first step was a mindset shift. I had to decide that my dream was worth fighting for, even in tiny pockets of time. Instead of saying, "I have no time," I started asking, how can I make the most of the limited time I do have? Small steps count. I promised myself I'd use 15 to 30 minutes wherever I could, early mornings, during kids' naps, or evenings, to do something for my business each day. I also learned to banish the mom guilt and self-doubt. I reminded myself why I was doing this, to create a better life for my family and be a positive example to my kids. Once I committed fully, every minute became an opportunity. If you believe in your dream and commit, you'll find a way. Step 2. Master your time and expand. Smart. Next, I had to master my time and eventually make a decision that changed everything. I started hiring help. Planning my week carefully gave me a clear picture of my workload, and when it became too much, I hired my first part-time cleaner. At first, it felt scary. Would I have enough work? Could I afford help? But hiring one person meant I could double my availability without sacrificing my time with my kids. It allowed me to take on bigger contracts and expand from just residential to small offices. As I hired more, I created training checklists and simple SOPs, standard operating procedures, to keep service consistent. I slowly shifted from doing all the work myself to managing a small, trusted team. That's when I saw my business grow beyond what I ever imagined. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more high-energy success stories. Let us know you're with us by commenting "Mindset." We love hearing from you, and it keeps us inspired to share more. To help you get started, we've got a free gift for you. Download Cleaning Business Starter Kit packed with step-by-step guide to kickstart your own cleaning business success. Check the description below for the download link. Now, back to my journey. Step 3. Systems that save time to grow with limited time. Systems were essential. I used scheduling apps, automated client reminders, and templated my cleaning routines. These simple tools saved hours each week. I also automated payments, followed a checklist at every job, and used digital calendars to keep everything in sync with my team. But what really freed me up? Delegation. I stopped doing everything myself. I empowered my team, trusted them, and focused on the tasks that actually grew the business: client relationships, quality checks, and marketing. Step 4. Focus on what matters most. Instead of chasing every client, I focused on high-value clients and recurring contracts. I raised my rates, And to my surprise, clients stayed. Why? Because I delivered consistent, reliable service, and they trusted my team. I chose clients who respected my time and aligned with my values. That decision gave me both financial growth and peace of mind, from no time to next-level success. Fast forward to today. My cleaning business is thriving, and yes, I still make it home in time for family dinner. I won't lie, the journey wasn't easy. There were days I was exhausted, and times I stumbled. But every challenge taught me something and made me stronger. The strategies I shared truly transformed my life. Where I once felt overwhelmed and stuck, now I feel proud and in control. I'm doing what I love, providing for my family, and setting an example for my kids that you can chase your dreams no matter how busy you are. If I can do it, you can do it too. Remember, I didn't start with any special advantage or extra hours in the day. I started with a decision to take action even when time was scarce. Your journey can start the same way. Maybe your life is crazy busy. I get it. But don't wait for someday when things calm down. Start with small steps now. You have the strength and creativity to find a way. I believe in you, and I can't wait to hear about your success story. In the early days of my cleaning business, I was saying yes to everything. Every one-time job, every last-minute request, every client who questioned my rates. I was exhausted, burnt out. And worst of all, I wasn't growing. That's when I had a major mindset shift. Stop chasing everyone and start attracting the right ones. Instead of filling my schedule with random, low-paying jobs, I focused on securing high-value, recurring contracts that shift. Choosing clients who aligned with my values and appreciated quality changed everything. I went from stressed to strategic, from underpaid to financially confident. And yes, I raised my rates. And guess what? The right clients didn't leave. They stayed, because I consistently delivered clean after clean and built a relationship based on trust, reliability, and professionalism. I showed up on time, communicated clearly, and treated their space like my own. So, if you're just starting or feeling stuck, ask yourself, am I serving the right people? The answer might unlock more peace and profit than you ever expected. Congratulations on taking the first step by learning from my journey. Your next step is to take action. To help you get started, we've got a free gift for you. Download Cleaning Business Starter Kit, a step-by-step guide to kickstart your own cleaning business success. Check the description below for the download link. Also, your journey doesn't end here. Watch my previous video where we dive into another crucial piece of the puzzle. Struggling to get clients. Start building trust like this. Trust us, you don't want to miss it. Click on the next video and let's keep this momentum going. Remember, you've got this, and we're here to cheer you on every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.